Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Qualys scanner results email alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Qualys login page. Enter your credentials to sign in to your Qualys account. Once logged in, locate the dashboard in the main menu. From the dashboard, find and click on the Alerts tab. In the Alerts section, select Email Alerts from the drop-down options. Click on the Add Alert button to create a new alert. You will need to fill out the alert configuration form. Begin by giving your alert a descriptive name. Next, choose the type of scan results you want to receive notifications for. Select the specific criteria for the scan results. This can include categories such as vulnerabilities, policy compliance, or web application scans. Next, specify the frequency of the alert notifications. You can choose to receive alerts immediately, daily, or weekly. Now, enter the email addresses where you want the alerts to be sent. Make sure to separate multiple email addresses with a comma. Review all your settings to ensure they are correct. Once you are satisfied, click the Save button to finalize your alert setup. You should now see your new alert listed in the Email Alerts section. To edit or delete the alert in the future, simply select it from the list. That concludes the process for subscribing to Qualys Scanner Results email alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.